Hi guys, I am going to take apart this module from the Soviet radio R107. So I will do it on camera for you because I am this much tall. So it is the power supply power unit power conversion module, power supply module. You can see many capacitors, diodes, transformers in it. So there are two boards on the die-cast frame. So I have first to remove, excuse me for the noise. Okay, so first I will remove these screws here. Maybe I will fast forward. I will see how much time it takes. We are for here. I have two more screws here. The screws are 40 years old and they are not very easy to remove. Okay. Then these tubes here are for the relay. One is here, I believe. So I can remove them later. So I will remove this board here, and so it is this one here. And I believe that's all. Yes. Okay. So here is the first part removed. You can see the wiring harness in it. You can see a big toroidal transformer, I believe, down here. Well, big. Quite big. You can see some mold down here. It occurs very often. So, as I am not willing to put it back together, over here for this first part, you can see it is completely handmade. Diodes here, the green capacitors. Okay, first one. So here I have many wires going around this transformer. So I will remove this wire clamp here. Here it is a junction post for the two transistors back there. I will do it right now. Okay, so I will cut the leads from the transistors. Try to at least. One. You can see there is small wires and fat wires. It must be the control and power wires. Okay. Okay. Voilà. So now I can try to remove these two transistors. Down here. Very easy. Here is the holders for the transistors. You can see. some amber material, and there is some insulating sheet, mica sheet, and here is the lead side of the power transistor. So I believe they must be probably germanium transistors, still usable. You can see how the leads are set up. They are not equally made. Okay, second one. We have for this. So down here we have a relay. I will try to remove it now. Not sure for this one. Yes. So these screws are very hard. Okay, so the relay should come right off, as you can see. Easy enough. There is the reference number for you to search at home. Then you can cut there. You can remove here and here. Yes, the transformer comes right off, so we'll be able to cut all the wires for it. Not sure to proceed. This one, here. You can see clearly it is a small toroidal transformer. Then here, and here we are. These things are incredible amount of handmade work. Really incredible. So I think just notice that we have here support plate for the transformer. The screws were hidden by the wires. Okay, so we'll put it back together later. Then, for it, down here I have two smaller transformers and I have capacitors. So I think I will wrap up with this side first before attacking the other side. It would be better. One very small. There's still one more wire harness here. So this is pretty much junk. Here I have a rigid wire. Here too. Then I can remove the capacitor. Okay, you can see the small transformer here, and the capacitor. Oh, this one is stuck. Okay. So here we are for this small metal can capacitor of the regular kind. Can be 300 volts rated. Very good stuff. So we are done with this side, pretty much. Just to remove this grounding thing here. So I can now do the other side. Maybe I will start a new clip. So we are back with the other side. I first have to remove this plug here, and I do already now a bit of pain with glue. So let me find the correct tool to do it. Maybe this, because I have to hold the nut on the rear side while I turn the screw on. As I did put paint on the screw thread, it seems to be okay with this. Okay, it is a very little screw here, 1 millimeter. So here we are, easy enough. Just to do the other one, need to do the other one same, because I do not remove it now. I'll be bored with it later. So. Okay, so this is all good. So we have 3 more screws here. And I believe it's good. For this board, yes. So same thing, exactly. You can see there is lots of stuff done in the bottom here. Lots of small transformers. So here we are for this board. So about this part here, first we will finish this. One more wire clamp on these 2 toroid round things, either transformers or inductors maybe. Yes, small inductors with a ferrite. Okay. The one you find in telephone systems, some kind. One more wire clamp here, hidden behind the wires. Okay, so I can now cut all these wires. You can see the grounding thing, and here we are for this side. Then we have a lot of stuff done there. So more of these small transformers, more of these capacitors. Let's start with this. I will probably do the... Okay, lots of screws to remove. So probably this resistor will want to go now. You can see it is the same kind of holding bracket. The other one in a smaller size. Okay, It is a P217B. You can see the nice manufacturer logo here from 1968. A really vintage transistor. It is definitively a keeper. Okay, so this is good. Now we have to wrap with all this stuff down the bottom here. So I have a lot of screws to remove. First, second, they were not shy of putting many screws in their stuff. It is really awesome. Some of them are almost not impossible to reach, as this one on the bottom behind. So lots of wires. This one here also. Okay. So I still have one here. This transformer, this relay is bugging me. I need to remove it. One more time, very small screws. Very tight. It is mounted on some kind of bracket. Not the easier thing I have ever seen. I'll try to do like this. Okay. When you take apart a lot of stuff, you have a technique to remove all the screws. So one more metal can relay, you can see RPS20, that code here, and the schematic here. Very good aircraft grade relays. I have tons of them. So this is a relay bracket. I'll remove it right now. It will make some free space. Okay. Then what do I have left? I have this transformer here. It is off. I will try to do this one because I can access the screw for the capacitor. Okay. This one is done. This is off. Okay. Nice. Now I can remove the capacitor. One more grounding here. So here it is, you can see it is written made in USSR. Sdelano BSSR. Sorry, I do not speak Russian very well, but it means made in USSR. This one is 160 volts. Okay, very nice. Then I will need to pack all these parts because I keep them. So I have one more screw down here, one here, and I think it is done. No, one more here, the last one. Okay, here we are for this. It is done. You can see the wire harness with all these small transformers. More or less moldy. It seems to have a fairly good amount of copper wire in it. You can see maybe here. And the plug for the module. Okay, so it is done. I have a lot of screws on the bottom, but now it is done. I will finish removing all the things here in order to put it to the scrapyard. And I will sort out all the stuff, see what I keep, what I throw away. It is time consuming, but you can do it a little at a time. You throw all the stuff in a box, and sometime the evening after work you pick something up, and you take care of it. Okay, I will show you at the same time as I am here the overboards I did remove from one of the over modules from the radio. You did see this side in the overboard in the video, not this side. You have legs here of all the transistors. Here you have a variable capacitor, air capacitor, or maybe even vacuum, not sure. One small potentiometer. And on this board you have a vacuum tube here with sorting capacitor. On this side you have a very nice mica capacitor. Very good quality, this one, very vintage packing also. You can see in this module the wire harness are wrapped with black tape, while they were wrapped with brownish tape here. Okay, so thanks for watching. Here is the mess I did. Lots of stuff. This is from the other module I saw. Capacitors on more, transformers on more relays. So, thanks for watching. I have more of it. Here is the mess I need to clean now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.